All right, let's dive right in. We're going to pull back the curtain on a full year of automated financial trading. And look, this isn't about hype. It's a totally transparent case study showing what really happens when you just let the algorithms run, for better and for worse. And that quote, man, it just sets the stage perfectly. What you're about to see isn't some get-rich-quick story you see in flashy ads. No, this was a real-world test of patience, of discipline, and of trusting the statistics, even when it felt like absolutely nothing was happening. But hey, before we get into the weeds, let's start with the big number, the headline result that everybody wants to see first. What was the bottom line after a full 365 days?
26%. The account grew by 26% over the entire year. Now, the initial goal was actually a pretty conservative 10%. So yeah, this result more than doubled that target. And it did it without having to increase risk or interfere with the system at all.
So what does 26% actually look like in real money? Well, it translates to a net profit of $520.61. It's a tangible result that puts that percentage into some real perspective, right?
So, to see the whole picture, we started with a $2,000 deposit. After every single trade was said and done, the final balance landed at $2,520.61, a really solid, clean outcome. A 26% return, it looks great on paper, but that final number, it doesn't tell you a thing about the ride to get there. And honestly, that's where the real story is. So let's look behind the numbers. So you gotta ask, right? Was it this smooth, steady climb to that 26% gain? Did the account just kind of tick upwards week after week? Well, as you might have guessed, not even close. Okay, so this right here, this is the equity curve. It's basically a chart of the account balance over time. And just look at it. It looks nothing like a straight line, does it? You've got this huge jump right near the beginning, and then these long, drawn-out flat periods. I'm talking months of just treading water. This jagged path, this was the real test of patience.
So what was the engine under the hood here? What was the actual strategy doing all the work behind the scenes? Let's pop it open and take a look at the simple, totally automated system that was the heart of this whole thing. The setup was kept simple on purpose. The system was trading CFDs. Those are basically just contracts that track an asset's price on three big ones, the DAX, the NASDAQ, and gold. The logic? A fully automated breakout strategy. Super straightforward. It just looks for when the price breaks out of a range and jumps in. And this is crucial. The risk management was dead simple. A fixed position size for the whole year. No messing with it, no scaling up or down. The whole point was to test the strategy itself with zero human meddling.
All right, let's circle back to that wild-looking equity curve for a second. Because when you really dig into it, you find the single most important and kind of counterintuitive lesson from this whole year. Where did that 26% profit actually come from? You're not going to believe this, but pretty much all of that profit, the whole year's worth, came from one tiny window, just May through July. That was it. That's when the market conditions were just perfect for this particular strategy, and the system just went to work. And the rest of the time, the other 9 months of the year, absolutely flat, basically going nowhere, just moving sideways. This is the side of algorithmic trading that nobody puts in their ads, but it's totally normal. The mental game of sitting through that, though, that's tough. And the stats really back this up. This wasn't just a lucky streak. Take a look at the profit factor, 2.02. What that means, in simple terms, is for every single dollar the system lost, it made back more than 2. And check this out. The maximal drawdown, which is the biggest dip it took from a peak, was only 6.61%. These numbers are solid proof that there was a real statistical edge at play, even during all those boring flat months.
So what's the big takeaway from all this? Letting a simple system do its thing for a whole year without messing with it taught some incredibly powerful lessons about what really matters in trading.
Okay, so it really boils down to 3 main things. First, simple logic, with a real statistical edge. It actually works. No need to overcomplicate it. Second, and this is the big one, the real key to success is having the guts to sit through those long periods when it feels like nothing is happening. And third, keeping your risk management simple and fixed gives you that psychological stability you absolutely need to not mess with the system.
And this quote just nails it. The real long-term results, they don't come from some magical, complex system or one heroic trade. They come from discipline, from trusting the math, and from just being willing to let your systems do their job, even when it looks like they're taking a nap.
So that leaves us with a final question, something to really think about. After seeing a year of automation, stagnation, and then profit, you have to wonder, is the most profitable skill in trading just the discipline to simply wait.